Australia has revealed that its air bases provided crucial support for the recent United States airstrike targeting underground Houthi weapons storage facilities in Yemen. This operation involved the first deployment of B-2 stealth bombers, which conducted strikes on 5 underground weapons storage. The U.S. Army is testing 2 cargo drones to work in conjunction with maritime drones as part of Project Convergence 2025. The names of the drones selected for testing have not been disclosed, however it is known that they can carry approximately 450 kilograms of cargo over a distance of 550 to 740 kilometers. Indian armed forces are set to receive the MQ9B high-altitude long-endurance drone between 2029 and 2030. According to defense officials, the first MQ9B unit will be delivered in 51 months, with the final unit expected by 72 months after the contract signing. The Sky Guardian will strengthen India's border surveillance and anti-infiltration efforts along critical zones. The People's Liberation Army ground force demonstrated exercise involving 8 Z-10 helicopters, utilizing a semi-submersible transport vessel as an offshore relay platform, testing China's ability to operate in conflict scenarios where traditional military platforms may not be available.